If you're a homeowner in an area that sees plenty of rain, then you're probably familiar with mud daubers, wasps that'll build tube-shaped nests on the sides of homes, underneath eaves, or along the exterior of any outdoor structure. These wasps are beneficial insects since they hunt spiders, including black widows, and they're usually unaggressive towards humans. A large population of them may indicate other underlying pest problems nearby, so in this video we'll show you how to identify and get rid of mud daubers around your property so you can enjoy your outdoor space wasp-free. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about mud daubers, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Mud daubers tend to be larger wasps that grow from half an inch to more than 1 inch in length. They have 6 legs that hang freely when flying, a pair of antennae, and wings that are either a transparent white or a dark rusty orange color. Many species feature the typical black and yellow or orange coloring, but some species of mud dauber are a metallic blue color. Some people often confuse these wasps for others, like paper wasps or hornets, but mud daubers are characterized by their long and narrow waists, or petioles. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or to find hotspots of activity. Mud daubers are typically active through spring, summer, and fall. They'll construct nests in sheltered areas like along the porch, the shed, underneath eaves, on ceilings, and against the walls of buildings. Mud daubers are solitary, so you'll typically only see one adult female wasp build up to several tubes clustered together for her eggs. Different species of mud dauber will create differently shaped nests, but they're usually tubular with one exit hole per tube. Also, be on the lookout for any spider activity on your property since spiders are hunted by mud daubers. Be sure to note the location of any webs or nests you find. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets out of the treated areas until dry. Always use caution and keep yourself protected. We recommend you cover up as much as possible with a professional bee suit to prevent stings and direct chemical exposure. Start your treatment by addressing the mud dauber's food source, spiders. They'll hunt other insects as well, but spiders are primarily targeted as food for the larvae. Knock down any webs or nests with Web Out Cobweb Eliminator and a cobweb duster. Web Out is a ready-made insecticide that will treat spiders and their eggs, and it helps break down the webs, making them easier to remove. It also prevents spiders from re-establishing nests in treated areas. The cobweb duster is made of nylon bristles designed to remove cobwebs and spider eggs. For any webs in higher, hard-to-reach areas, you can attach the duster to an extension pole. Before you remove your mud dauber nests, you may need to eliminate any wasps protecting them. We recommend you use an insecticide with a quick knockdown like Pyrid aerosol. Pyrid is a ready-to-use insecticide aerosol made with pyrethrins, a botanical chemical that interferes with many pests' nervous systems. This product works immediately, knocking down pests that make contact with the spray. Be sure the spray makes contact with as many pests as possible. Once all pests have been eliminated and there are no signs of activity, you can remove the nest with a scraping tool or a pressure washer. When using a scraping tool, older nests may need to be softened with water. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop mud daubers from establishing themselves on your house is to apply a repellent insecticide and eliminate the mud dauber's food source. We recommend you use a product like Sylo Insecticide. Sylo is an emulsifiable concentrate that must be mixed with water, so we recommend you mix and apply this product with a handheld pump sprayer. To stop mud daubers, the rate you'll apply is 0.5 fluid ounces of product per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Once your solution is mixed, spray the areas where you've noted mud dauber nests. Don't forget to treat along eaves and any entry points like around doors or windows. Then, conduct a barrier treatment by spraying along your structure's outer perimeter by going 3 feet up the structure and 6 to 10 feet out. The product leaves a residual that will continue to treat the area for up to 90 days. Labeled pests that make contact with the residual typically die within 20 minutes. We recommend you repeat this application quarterly to maintain year-round control. While mud daubers are normally beneficial, they can become a problem in large enough infestations, and their nests can be unsightly additions to our homes. But there are ways to control an infestation that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop mud daubers from nesting on your property, and we offer free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.